Hello, Body Fangs. Welcome to the bush. Guys, you can't believe what I just bloody found here. Just look at this. You're gonna see that. You're gonna see that. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, that's a house here of what we call a sandleeuw. A sand leon. Yeah. They want to leak a little bit of salt. Where's the tequila? Imagine wiping a boat with that. I know. You can see the weird bloody poof morsel. Yeah, you can't bloody eat that, okay? You got spuitpoep kry, dan gaan jy frak. It's a poof dish, can you see that? Jette. You can come out now, the war is over. We did you. Can you bloody hear that? It was a blue wild cow. Kan jy hier? Jette. You're a bloody bush lice. Sis. You're gonna see that. I'm gonna see that. Yeah, it looks like a Slurpee. Okay, thanks.